In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create envelopes and perform a mail merge in Google Docs. This process is incredibly handy for those who frequently send out large volumes of mail and want to streamline the process using technology. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Once you're in, find and open the document you'd like to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you might need to set up a new document. With your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see an option labeled Extensions. Click on this to proceed. Now that you're in the Extensions menu, look for an add-on called Mail Merge. It's a handy tool that will simplify the customization of your envelopes. Give it a click to select it. You'll then see another option appearing. This time, it's the Envelopes tool. Click on Envelopes and you'll trigger a pop-up menu that displays various settings and options for your envelopes. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click on Save to store these settings. With your envelope preferences saved, we'd go back to the Extensions menu for the next step. Click on Mail Merge once again to re-enter its menu. From here, select Start to initiate the mail merge process. You will then encounter an option to open a spreadsheet. Click on Open Spreadsheet, which will take you to a new window displaying all your available spreadsheets in Google Drive. Select the spreadsheet you wish to use by clicking on it, then hit Select to confirm your choice. Once your spreadsheet is ready to go, look towards the bottom right corner where you'll see an option named Letters. Click on this to proceed with the merge process. Now you'll be brought to another window where a merge button will be visible. Click on Merge to begin the actual merging process. You might be asked to confirm your action through a pop-up. If so, simply click Yes to approve. Finally, locate and click on the document that says Untitled Document in your Google Docs list. This document will now contain all of your merged data, organized neatly and ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create envelopes and perform a mail merge using Google Docs. These steps should help streamline your mailing tasks significantly. Don't forget to review your merged document to ensure everything looks exactly the way you want it. Thank you for following along, and happy merging.